Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find the derivative of this one. The first thing, we can apply the product rule of the derivative. That means we have y equals to ab. So if we do first derivative, we have like this. That means we need to do first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. Later that, we need to do first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So if we apply this one, we have like this. So for the next one, we can apply the power rule of the derivative. So that should be like this. So in this one, that is about 2x to the power of 2 minus 1. So you got about s. This one, we have number 3 cosine 4x to the power of 2. Later that, we need to do first derivative of cosine 4x. That is about the chain rule of the derivative. So this one, we have negative number 4 sine 4x. So number 3 and negative number 4, we have negative number 12. S where I will put in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.